Okay, so what we're doing now is this is my diced tomato can, and what I did is I just added a little pencil on top of that to give it a little bit of cushion. That way it's not so tight when it goes in there, and you can see that I just put that in there so it's got a nice little bit of a gap. That way if there's changes in sizes, you can see how there's a gap in there as well. And I did the same thing over here, and I'll do another one over here, and I'll basically just keep going over there. And then what I'm doing is I made sure my first board was level, and then I'm kind of going through every now and then doing the exact same thing. So then what I'm doing is I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in these, and you can see that these are 1x4s, so that means they're 3.5 inches deep. And what I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling, kind of going right in the center of the thing. It doesn't really matter if they're lined up or not, because I'm going to put strips over these and nobody's going to see them. So what I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling a little bit. I don't have to go pre-drill a whole lot. And then I've got they're deck screws. That's what I'm using, and these are 3.5 inch deck screws. And I'm using my impact gun, going through here and screwing this all the way in, kind of sucking that in, and then you can see that that's not moving anywhere. You got to remember that there's going to be strips that's going to go across here, and that'll keep the cans from actually falling out. And then on top of it, there'll be an actual a cap that'll go all the way around the top and all the way down. So these things are not going to move. And if there is a lot more movement in there, when I'm all done, is I can actually put a couple basically furring strips right across, maybe 2 or 3 of them to keep the thing from moving at all. But it depends on how much lumber I have left over. I bought enough 2x4s or 1x4s in case I have some scrap. But that's what we have so far.